The image clause formula question is a type of clause question with advanced math validation and response boxes that can be placed directly on an image. Let's see how to create this question. We start from the Compose question area, where we insert the question stimulus. Then we need to upload an image. In the Image URI field, we either paste a link to the image or select a file from the computer. Great, now we need to place response boxes on our image. We scroll down and here we see the image preview. We click on the plus button here to add a response box. And we drag the box to its position. In our example, there is only one response box, but you can add as many response boxes as you need. If you want to remove a box, just click on the X here. What we have below is the response container settings. The response box we just added works as a container. This means that it can hold more complex syntax within itself. Here in the template field, you can insert raw latex to create a math expression out of this container. For example, we can give students a hint here and add a formula. A squared plus b squared equals response. We insert response in double curly brackets to indicate the empty response box. And we can also define the width and height of this response box. Let's set it to 30 pixels. The important thing to remember here is that if you insert anything in the template area, this must be copied in the value field when setting up validation. This means we can just insert the correct response, but we need to type in the whole expression. A squared plus b squared equals, and then the correct response. If you don't put anything in the template area, then you're fine, and in the value field you can only add the correct response. Okay, so let's do it now. Let's set validation. Here in the value field, we insert the expression. This is very important to remember, otherwise your question will not validate correctly. Okay, now let's check our response in preview.